Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT Runner 2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload music to your watch. So let's get started. So if you want to use your watch as a music player and you want to have some songs on it, you can do it. And to upload the music, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices, once the devices are paired together, we can open that app, the HUAWEI Health application, tap on devices, and select our Watch GT Runner from the list of devices. Here we can scroll down, and you will see the option called Music. Tap on it, then tap on Manage Music, and here we can manage songs on our watch. And as you can see, we have option Add Songs. So basically we can add songs to our watch. And here we can select songs from our phone. So you need to have songs on your phone to upload them to your watch, of course. Once you select the songs, you can tap on the checkmark to confirm. It will start uploading, and it might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's about to finish, so let's wait. And here we have it, successfully added 3 songs, and now I have 3 songs on my watch. So if I go to the watch, open the music app, where's the icon? Here. And tap on songs, I should see my songs right here, and we have them. And we can tap on them to start playing the music. You can also create playlists if you want to. You can tap on New Playlist, enter the name, and then you can choose the songs to add to playlist. And here we have our playlist. You can also add songs from here. So if you have a playlist and you added new songs, you can tap on the song, on the 2 dots next to the song name, then tap on Add To and select the playlist like this. And if you have playlists, you can open them on the watch by going to Music again, Songs, and the playlist will appear right here at the top. And you can select Playlist, and you can play it as well. And basically that's how you upload music to this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.